Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get popcorn serving cart in Heartopia game new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In Heartopia, there is an event called Dreamlight Cinematic event, and in this event you need to have the popcorn serving cart to cook Dreamlight Cinematic Festival food. And this is how the popcorn serving cart looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can get this item. So guys, you need to complete the challenge. You can go to this menu, okay, for the Dreamlight Cinematic week 1, and once you complete the challenge or the mission, you can claim your reward right here. You will get a recipe to craft popcorn serving cart. Once you're done, you need to go to your workbench. Wait, let me go to my workbench, and you're going to select the recipe for the popcorn serving cart, this one, and you will need quality timber, branch, and also this light and shadow material pack. You can get this item from completing a mission, or you can buy it. Okay, once you have all the items, you can craft the popcorn serving cart. And I'm going to craft one more popcorn serving cart, okay, like this, and hold on. Okay, now the popcorn serving cart is ready. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the popcorn serving cart in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.